Hey guys, if your flow hood is blowing too powerfully, I may have a solution for you. Take a look at this. This right here is a speed controller for a fan. This one just happens to be made by Sun. But as you can see, I'm gonna plug my flow hood into this. This is normally how it sounds. Way too loud. Way too loud. Way too loud. I'm about to go get a lighter. Alright, look, got the lighter now. So, try to light something, it's not happening at all. Even from about a foot away. I make it back about 4 feet. This is way too far. If I turn it down, I put it right on low because that's about what gives me enough flow to keep this lighter going. As you can see, that gives me laminar flow. About 4 feet out, you see the flame is still crooked, almost 90 degrees. All thanks to the speed controller. So if you fucked it up, just buy a speed controller. My old flow hood works pretty darn perfect, if you ask me. Pretty darn perfect, if you ask me. So, that's about all. The speed controller, this one's $20. They have one that plugs right into the wall, and that's about $10. So, much love, and many more flushes.